Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. In this series of videos we're going to be building a one-page scrolling website with the Divi WordPress theme. And this theme's got some great things. It's got some video sliders, we've got animations, got a bit of CSS going on there, got a video background. And in this series of videos I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually put this site together. We'll start from scratch and we'll work from the header all the way down to the footer. We've included some great features like a back to the top button and some smooth scrolling to get to our various sections here. And although Divi has some great built-in themes and templates, this is for people that want to build their own from scratch, and it really is quite easy, especially with the new Divi builder. For those of you that haven't got Divi, you can get it from my affiliate link below this video, or you can go to elegantthemes.com and get it from there. So let's get started building this site. If you look down at the bottom here, by default Divi and Elegant Themes always put in this footer, and there's no obvious way of removing it, but it's very simple to remove with a bit of CSS, so we can put our own custom one in. It's fine if you want to leave this and advertise their site, but for a professional site you really want to be advertising the site itself. So let's go to our dashboard and I'll show you what you need to put in to remove that bottom bar, or the footer I should say. Go down to Divi, to Theme Options, and we're just going to add a simple bit of CSS code in our custom CSS box here. I'll give it a title. So // back a couple. And let's just write in what it is: remove bottom bar. That's just a title, so that if we write a lot more CSS code, which I tend to write quite a lot, you can find things a lot easier with a title up there like that. So we've got to say at footer bottom, because that's what the actual bottom bar is. If I bring up that page and I right click and inspect, let's bring that up. It's right here. I just need it to say display :none, and as you see it's disappeared. That's what we want to do. So if we go back to our custom CSS box here, open and close some curly brackets, put a little space in between them to put our code, and write display :none, semicolon. There's our bit of code. So it's footer bottom, open close, display none. Let's save our changes. Now if we go back to our site, I'll get rid of the inspector there and refresh. It should still stay hidden. So there we are, that's the bottom of our site, our map. So now we can add our own footer. So let's go and edit the page. Let's go down to the bottom, add another regular section, standard section. I'm going to make it 3 sections because what I'm going to do is I'll have a copyright there and a logo there. So let's make it background. We'll give it a dark background. Something like that. That'll do fine. And actually, while we're in there, I want to take away any padding that we've got, because I don't want it too wide. So I'll say padding top and bottom 0. Save. Okay, here I'm going to have a simple copyright. So we'll put in a text box. And I want the copyright symbol, which is an Alt code. So if you hold the Alt key down on your keyboard and type in 0169, you get the copyright symbol. And there's plenty of symbols that have Alt codes. Just Google Alt codes and you can find out a lot more. And we'll say my site 2018 to present. And let's make that light text. That's fine. We'll save that. Not going to put anything in the middle there. You can put some social media shares or something if you want to. Well, I'm just going to put the logo on the right hand side here, so we'll just use a little image for that. There it is. And let's add our image. There's our logo image that I want with the light text right there. So we'll just set that as image. It's fine. Let's just have a look, see what we've got so far. There we go. There's our little footer that we've put in. Save and exit. And let's preview that on our site. And let's roll down to the bottom. Off we go. There's our little footer. I think I'll put a bit of padding at the top of this to bring it down in line with this. So let's just do that with our visual builder. Scroll on down while that's loading. Here we go, and there's our little element there. Don't know. Just hit the little cog. Let's go to design and spacing. Let's see if we need to say a little bit more than that. Say 15. Yeah, I think that'll do it. Maybe a little bit too much. What about 12? Yep, bang on. So let's save that. Save our changes. And there's our little footer. Okay, it's time to have a bit of fun now. We're going to go up here and make our menu work. We want to make it scroll down to these various sections here.